Hello everyone. Today I discuss how to change date format that has been saved in the database through PHP. You see this part content there is a one type of date format. If you change this format then you see this video. Now let's the code. This is my second part of this video. If you do not watch the first part of this video, then you go to this description link where I give this first video link in this description. Please check this video. Now this is the code which you see front end part for this for this part. This is the code. This is the code select start from the table name, that is the node in my case. Then this query is execution by MySQL query, and then is check the num rows. MySQL num rows is check. If the num rows is greater than 0, then this query inside this loop, and then MySQL page associate means in this result will be stored in this row variable, and then print that table id and then table name. And most important code is that it is date, table date, and then it is this is the format of the date, DDMY. It's mean you see this DDMY means date, that which is first date. D small d means is a numerical present. Then capital D it means is a textual representation in three letter. DDM M means month in numerical form. Then Y means it is a year. There is so many date format. Today I discuss about most important date format, that are DDMY. You see D M capital Y, it's mean this. Then D small d capital M capital Y, it means this. Then capital D capital M capital Y means this. Then small d capital M and capital Y means date, month. Then date also is it is a date name, and then month name, then year, and so on. If you want this type of structure of this date, then you write this only code, this code inside this. Now let's check. If you want this type of code, then you write this just copy it, and now in paste here. Now it is save it, and you see this format. Now refresh this page. Let's check this format. Let's check. Now this is the new format for that code. And also another code also present. If you want this type of code, you write DIMY, then paste here. then save it. Now check, refresh this page. You also see the format was changed. So if you understand videos, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.